Ama Mcbrown is my very good friend, but me nyɛ spokesperson and me nyɛ PR. Enti me ni ha sɛ me ba be kasa e de ama Ama Mcbrown. But as omai no bibia ekoso bia no, you try as much as we can say yɛde ya no beto mu bi. Na etimi a shaping the discourse omai development no nya kwan enye hospitals nkwa enye you can say janai bia nkwasi. Even the way a nipa na ewo mu no edwene no and also boama omai no etumpon. Enro nyimre me ba beda na me hunu se omo se video bi e call round. Na video no ye video a omo hunu se obi ekura ejomama e kasa omampani dada John Dramani mama e kasa ewo eye TV so na maame bi a ohye esummu na yenhunu maame no animu ne nachi eyie etwa jomama koto ewo TV ne so edidi jomama atem so onye no mfiri so na omonhwe de ombetimi ahwe omose eye Ama Mcbrown ebise ye onoa ebise nye onoa ebise Mcbrown had disrespected a former president ebise enye onoa abeye buburuja. But me da ko achire dwene ho ko achire na me pesa me free different angle. Me angle am pesa me free no. I don't care whether a Mcbrown or enye Mcbrown. Na ufo obi tse eye Stephen Atubiga. Stephen Atubiga say eni no one high sense of one Pamo Mcbrown as their brand ambassador. 2 Obia boycotted a movie bia Mcbrown aye. Ma obia nhwe Mcbrown video bio. Na metena ase dwene ho kwachire na me se na oman be kura eni. Ene mede Ghana ene Nigeria ebe yan tutu ho bi akyerɛw omo. Mede Ghana me juxtapose the case of Ghana. How ayakoye koto manya yentwe yenuanom nhwe fom nse wo mu eye ye depa chen se yenya omu ye ni mpija omo. Mede 2 countries na ebe yemfato Ghana, Nigeria. Maybe chiro di entia Nigerians are far better than yen as Ghanaians. When it comes to say yemwama yenuanom succeedia, Nigerians are far better than yen. Yedi ya de pa yentwi yenuanhwe fom nse no. So be unu se Ghana fo ani agye e wa asase we so a na omunua bi ho akyere no a yesei omunua no. Eti Ghana fo be share video o pass ma make ko social media ko social media. Nekosha the only time a Ghana be agitated pa enkrofo ani gi on social media say ankoye beef between Shatawale and Samini. Ankoye beef between Samini and Sakodie. Medical ne strong man dia bomwa. Na akoye say yes obi Kennedy Japan de eyo obi nim ho nsam betudwa. Say ankoye Kennedy Japan de obi nim ho nsam betudwa. Na ne obi sex tape bi release. Ankoye sex tape bi akanda pa na ne ho akere no. These are the only times I want to say social media boil pa Ghana. Say ya kwanye eti yakotwa video aba enkrofo ni di obabi pa yakotwa video aba. And for that matter eno de Ghana fo ani nyesi e be share da nemum yantwi yenuanom mofo me be ma instances me be kire onuama bi a o man we ya o man wotimu sa adwene de etrim no remeka bi a kire Nigeria fo ehunu se ni nua succeedi na ni nua kosoro ohunu na oga hafa oh Charlie Dua hey God bless you now ona God for bless me make I can be like you Nigeria ni ohunu se ni nua atoka afoforo na ni jepa Ghana ni be ohunu se ni nua atoka afoforo se nya sika duro na ni nua ne koje ya ni sika kankan ni sika fi kasa we nya kasa papa efiri na koye ntwam Ghana ni hunu se ni nua kosora kwan bia so ofa so etwe ne hwefom ema ni nua ne say the only time ye happy ne say yetimi atwe ye nua free soro e de na bofo Nigeria ni be hunu se ni nua and I'll give you example yetena kromu ama funny face super fantastic comedian ekozi say yetena kromu asay ema eye DK bi mo Ekosi say Ghanaians don't support our own. Yen say yan kasa ye de pa. Every 2001 Ama Mcbrown abra build the image without the support of anybody and so overnight because of politics in tea. Yes, yen chin Ama Mcbrown shifom na yen sign the brand and yen mubu no pasa because obia koye video bia Yesusu se eye Mcbrown enim ane wo video nim enu boy hunu nanim no ene ne se enipa ne nsa ne yesi se yetimi ameja na Ama Mcbrown nsa ehunu max e wo ho and for that matter nipa ne se ne nsa te se Mcbrown nsa it yense the brand of Mcbrown in this country. Now, share energy NDC for they say Mcbrown. A free nurabesi na. Sa energy near they contribute to support Mcbrown. Mcbrown yet superstar all over the world. Yet tena kroma comedians who kroma pa. As you year night of 1001 laugh. Ye back of fun Nigeria for no maba betria abeji sika. Nigeria for to UK to US. So omo ye a program or there is no way they will go for any other star apart from a year or mwanga sa omo die free Nigeria. Opa mama example. Oma team even musicians for obit sesa akodie Shatawale D Black all the big musicians wokuma. Busa how many artists or matimi abua apeja womo amo mabes or mo anase even better. Fadon Jazzy to sa akodi ne Shatawale ho. Don Jazzy amfa makurano. Or the your friend say Dibanje by. Or the one Bellu by. Or the Tiwa Savage. Or the Anyum to Fobebre by or my great to say Don Jazzy noa. And she had to chroma say. Apart from him said that the Lumba. I on maybe or boy for Yam Ponsamo for Yam Ponsa Bebois. The group South for Yam Ponsa group no. Ofa Machi Dede, Ofa Nane Champo, Ofa Kojanchi. Till today, there is nobody as a Omuniwa, Obetimi ateki over Omo legacy because we don't help ourselves. Yan chini pansho from pa Ghana for your number one. Yan say nipa. Yatina krom he ene Dangote cement. Ene gasem compete edientia. Because Enano Obasanjo, president of Nigeria, will say, so build billionaires in Nigeria. It will Dangote the leverage to operate, or Dangote opportunity so be operating. Now Dangote a force to reckon with. And so my Ghana, Opako as far back as 1963, there is no company in this world that did more than 20 years or my Ghana would die. All the giant companies, because of pull him down syndrome, yan chimney panshe from one side of the year, and the chair will be a Apino, Apia Menkamo, or more Bob Bracco, or many yet she will be a reform Croemu in the name of MPP and NDC. Yan fan imposa and name a woman, yan fan is a Nipana with Jina Munu, a warrior video and Ama Mcbrown. Must we destroy the brand completely, simply because of MPP and NDC? Yet to Crowe say, we say, yan chimney panjo from there. We are number one. Yan building the pandia. Never. Your bank say, go Crowe, my say banksy. Edumre bi Nigerian bank and Nigerian bank, a GT bank, say Nigeria for bank we boy. No more chere omo pa. Nigeria for hunu nyansa support a year omo dear a build omo bank and the bank has become a force to reckon with all over the place. And so Ghana your banks yaguno. Because of MPP and NDC. Bibia wo kroma say yen trench form. Make Afrifa ya meti hey. Me sha se nyene enso obia support me mboa mi o. Empushi mi nkogina ma ochina odasani bi mmra so opeso oseme. The way Adasa be boa ma ye niagya me atwe kwa Afrifa form. Shiranke rade se me no to no mutantim. Otweme form anya yi. Nanso yensa nipa crabology. Okoto ni nua ekosora na otimu na otwe ne reform. But you see, these are all ripple effect of a slavery and nothing else. It until say yanka say ye benya a time na ya enslave you from enyoma ya enslave you see ye be jai nyoma slave masters ni jai ye no sa ya ntwene nhwe from no we will never go anywhere. Me say said your energy free nura model Ama Mcbrown no me tena se dwene ho ana mesre na me say any problem krani e amanfo be krani e my video ni yenya aseteni se eye Mcbrown enso adasa se ene no ene ne se tiense no ene Stephen Atubiga se NDC foje. What kind of people are we? Ade Kwame Nkrumah betena krom ha yankase ekrom Ghana ha Kwame Nkrumah mo banche me yama light off eja ensuo to a o maybe atim ensuo to ya na eja Kwame Nkrumah jefa ahudie mayu tienie yensai wo man ni yankase de Kwame Nkrumah jefa ahudie maye no eduru ba bi yankase ahyase akura twantro to Kwame Nkrumah so se Kwame Nkrumah ekum nipa se Kwame Nkrumah yesei na afa ye suma bomb me yekobo Kwame Nkrumah na yesei it came to a time Kwame Nkrumah energy nyina no or directing it to nkrofo anon beso mo say no. Meanwhile enyama Kwame Nkrumah ye and then you call nyama Kwame Nkrumah ye so obeye and then 60 years down afa the year dwene ho se ye be sa nyama no motorway a woye maye and di 50 years enso motorway nda so enso yankasa yen nipadua no ye prayers ye ntu Kwame Nkrumah ye tu Kwame Nkrumah wie ya eye general kwasi amanko Afrifa ene eye general ankra mo ba ye bedi ade yankasa ye san dan ye ho e kaseti a general kwasi amanko Afrifa ye ja tumi muma buzia no ka aso wanya onim se Ghana fo ni su ne yesu a esei nipa Ghana for yesu ni yesu a esei nipa me say actors se wo krom ha mpese o mo beboa mo nua bi anya role aye etie nua bi o ye movie na ni nua bi ba so timi ka se mo invite we ma ne be ye movie ni bia memi ntwa. As a Nigerian actors every day they bring people out. Nigeria folk of form comedian and one yef esere kura na wo mo anka say intention say make we support am na even now he start na he go be bigger star and ampanyampa opare we basketball we godons we abodai we omo nyina free wa omo wa asiefo ni bia omo Kenny Black why omo nso e grow to take over the big boys and they don't disrespect each other. The only time we are happy in this country is a funny face abofom sell low na abofom yetimi tena krom ha yenwe ha my biggest star like a Jacko is of no value today in this country because the Ghanaian system don't celebrate. We always make sure say be twini pa abofom. Me say Ghana for ni be jepa no mu nua abofom. I'm telling you, this is the truth. Everywhere in Ghana, utimi you obi amfrim. Ghana for timi tena sinke Jacko say ko pia bontia anke Jacko bapa ese Ghana ye celebrating no. Sedad Lumba mi krowe mu Sedad Lumba ya won America ka Sedad Lumba did the Hall of Fame ewa America because so obi etimi sustaining in music wo Ghana ha for 35 solid years. That person is a legend and nobody should be able to compare. And so they are celebrating Lionel Richie. Near celebrating a year Celine Dion. Near celebrating 1 year Sedad Lumba because Ghana Fusuno need me a Kosra near as what training form. This is us. Everywhere in Ghana, enye se baabi baako ye nipa ye ntwe ne nse no de ye number 1 me hu bi da ye wo big musicians so ye fa buo mo ha super musicians ye fa buo mo wo muni nua no wo mani nua kwan me kwa Afrifa me senya ne den pa agasa industry wo mun kman succeed da okwa ne abusa asade na betimi aye me ka se so ma wo kwan se ye mienwe ebiso man ye mpani ye yo ye pense ye penipa se wa hwefom and the social media ye de pa ni da ye ne say ni de ne say ye kan say Canada Japan etimi akofa obinim ho nsem aba a wo twe obinim bofom twe ne bofom see me just spokesperson for obinim and obinim na da wo da nkrofo over the years and me I'm not in support of it but the entire social media ye de ne say Canada Japan twe nipa bofom ne ani age so my way ka sama chiro enko nanim na enko nanim china etu we ya sa num we mesi yamfanya national anthem because bibia wom o say nim de ntra so kotonkra ne ya ka kotonkra ne ade ase kotonkra ne ni se wonu ya kwa na twitwa ne ntire efrema mo hunu sa nyansa we kan efrema mo hunu sa ye nuanom ba twe ahwefom twitwa ne ntire ebe se wo man no o kan Yenara ya sasini ya boden de maye emoja ye nananum hwie ye de jeto wo maye aduru men ne won susu ebeye bia toso enso aduru won nim de antra so o kotonkra ne ye ka kotonkra ne a ye ntwitwa ye nuanom hwefom and for that matter we are not able to build any international star in this country because oye international star ne ye nuanom ya ese ye twe ne say ne brand in this country. Yenya pesa minkuminya yenya kotonkra ne na yenya yense no a oma we ko nanim da and it's a fact oma we do bia de betumi ani onya kufu ado enya jomama said ye yense nipa wo kroma no ena be say enya wo man ye da ka kirewo me makasa na nya tententen wo man no ye tim ne sebeya NDC for bow down your head in shame. Said the enra money age with energy. Munya asetreni say ye Mcbrown. But said your money age person mo trim Mcbrown she from say no. Bow down your head in shame. Akamun trempo emia asetreni sampeni empire ye Mcbrown. Now numponki akase oh over the years Mcbrown has contributed immensely to a younger see war being as a people. Tientu no funu nyai. Nan kan pese maka say high sense of one training she from. All of you should bow down your head in shame. All of you should bow down your head in shame. What did I say? Media, wamana yeti chere no. Mese debia no kure no baby da e won ye de beto. Yen twa katasumo maso bia, yen kam bia mfili. Mese wo bia wo ye sa de no opeso wo say Mcbrown because of say almost say video no supposedly. O say ni pano ye Ghana ni bow down your head in shame. Bow down your head in shame. MPP ni NDC nti krowe mu MPP and NDC nti krowe enko babia. E da so abegina babia gina. Anka ye hunu mpo say ye ono a, ye ntum so ono a. Anka Mcbrown kwa meka say ye ono a na mo pa chew. Na nka ye ntu no fo say Mcbrown o brand ne so. Eti memfa ye nioma sei. Wote ya MPP and NDC nti yense Mcbrown meboa. MPP and NDC nti yense Mcbrown afa na light no aba. Ejefo afa na light no aba. Mesi wo man we sa what kind of people are we? Are they? Yense nipa no are they? Eti kwasi me ahia ni betimi atena wo man we mu ni asai eye nipa wo kro we mu are they? Yentimi support ye nuanom may big enya international companies enya international stars eti de bia betena social media no a wo mo ye no social media no aburoni hunu nyansa ye no ye di social media na be koso asai ye ankase ye nkrofo saa eti ye betimi atena siri saa social media ya asai nkrofo saa the integrity and the image of people. Ye betimi atena ma social media be ye say. Hey. Wa man mu me hwe yo. Wa man mu me hwe ye. Na we kosoro ani e twene from we kosoro ani e twene from na ye yie o, aye yie. Wa man na ye yie o. Yen say ye nuanom na ye yie o, mu me anya ye o. Said ye tena social media ye ni gye na obi hu asem ba ye share mu me anya ye o. Mummy and Yana Crobiano Mansem wom, will be a fear a fisam yantomago. I dear Abesia Bonti and the beer would send nipa would tear me, so be one some bonnet make every family tear me come sianaka, a can't die a womb, yes, say, or be one some bonnet ma and my yen share video, and my make every family share big that. Opa, you can prove me wrong. Put it, may I put it to you. Go on my social media wall. Ne prove it me say and that's a me Afrifa me share video about Obi naked pics, about Obi naked video, about Yense Ejako, about Yense Mcbrown. Me nye big that. E Jeffrey na kwasa ultra social media. Na sebio Obi video. Yense no pull him down. Yense no PhD eba. Na se wan kasa wo share bi o twedi ampofa abon nchew se wo share video ni bi ne free mere tente ene ya mene wakasai na so obi hu asemba kana Japan se obi nim eti wo share bi o twedi ampofa abon nchew mo na mo ma we nkoso o man ne be yi o enye yi o efri mene wa pull him down adoso mo me yam wani support ye die ni empeja ye die o MPP ni NDC ne beto Ghana o. Omukofo amanyosem ba ye na anu na Ghana ho. Amanyosem ba ye na de ntoto ye beto Igbeni Asante ntam. Ene Igbeni susu se di nia ne tamfo ni Asante. Asante susu se ne tamfo ni Igbe because of amanyosem. Amanyosem ba ye na de ntoto ye ba na mum ye hwedi ye. Ene amanyosem ti Yense Mcbrown e bi na ye Mcbrown wo chena na ye wo. Ye nyina ye sori nkasentia. Yenjina yan sorry ni ankasentia we nya de asia soso sadia no Mcbrown supposedly wo ye no wono ampa na ye ye betumi atunu fo se Mcbrown wo brand no so chen de wo ye na so kura nyo no a enso wo se de si se no ye ready ye be de makasa wie nya kasa tente entonkoko mesi ye ready ye yo we did okatache kwa me Afrifa mensa obetimi afra me the youth president na me dia asem wan bese me kan de bo man Ghana ba e makawi and that's the end of the case obia betimi aboa me abuild the Ghana emancipation of the Ghanaian youth. It starts today and it starts with you and I. Otwedi ampokwa me nhira ye nyina onto ye nkwanem. We are still on the service to God and country. Bye bye.